Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can download video from YouTube. So let's say you want to download a video from YouTube and watch it later. So what you can do is go ahead and open up YouTube application. So let me tell you guys that not all of the videos from YouTube can be downloaded and watch it on offline on later. Only some videos will be available to download. It is because of the settings particular person who owns the channel has made. So for example, most of the music video we cannot download most of the music video, but what we can do is watch it later. For example, I'll just search for any of the artist and I'll just try to download this video and I'll just select this video, and here in the option of download, this option is not available. This video or this music cannot be downloaded on YouTube. Okay, for example, I'll just select another video and in here you can see the download option is available. So basically what it means is that not all videos from YouTube will be available for download and watch it offline. Some videos will also not be available and some videos will be available to download. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you found the video to be helpful, and also press the notification bell for more updates.